everyone. So this is our third lecture on Python, and in this lecture we are going to study uh, about Python comments. And before I tell you about the Python comments syntax, let me tell you why we use them in our Python code. And well, comments can be used to explain Python code, and comments can be used to make the code more readable. And the third one is comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code or Python code. Well, in Python, we start comment by writing a hash sign. So let's just go inside our IDE and see how. So as I told you, we use the hash sign before writing a comment and commenting this line. Okay, well, when we want to write a single line of comment, then we use this hashtag. And if we want to write a multiple line comments, then we can use by like writing this before hash again, and before each line we need hash again, and so on. Okay, what we uh, what we will do if we want to write multiple line comments, and uh, instead of using the hash sign before each line, because it's irritating, doesn't it? Anyways, combined Python provide us this three inverted commas uh, opportunity or a thing to write multiple line comments. Like this is multiple line comment, and uh, all these lines are just commented, and compiler will ignore it because comments are just because of our needs. And that's it. Okay, one more thing, that we can use these hash comments in front of our if conditions or any statement, even like this as well. So this is all about comments, and see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.